Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to iron clothes. First, always check your garment's care label to understand its fabric type and recommended ironing temperature. Next, fill your iron's water reservoir if you plan to use steam, and set up your ironing board on a stable surface. Sorting your clothes by fabric type from low to high heat will make the process much smoother and prevent damage. When you begin ironing, always start with the lowest heat setting for delicate fabrics, gradually increasing for cottons or linens. Iron larger, flat areas first, then tackle details like collars, cuffs, and pleats. For sensitive materials, a pressing cloth is essential to prevent shine or scorching. Keep the iron moving in smooth, even strokes to avoid leaving marks. Ironing specific garments requires a bit of strategy. For shirts, begin with the collar, then move to the cuffs, sleeves, and finally the main body. When ironing pants, start at the waistband, then pockets, and work your way down each leg. A sleeve board can be incredibly helpful for sleeves and other small, awkward areas. For pleated items, take your time to press each pleat individually for a crisp finish. Once you've finished ironing, it's crucial to let your clothes cool down completely before folding or hanging them. This helps set the fabric and prevents new wrinkles from forming. Hang shirts and trousers immediately on appropriate hangers to maintain their crisp, smooth appearance. For items like t-shirts or towels, fold them neatly. Store all your freshly ironed clothes in a clean, dry closet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.